Okay my friends, so this week I'm going to test out the best product for the plastic restoration, specifically for the WeatherTech mats. In the past, I've been using CARPRO PERL at 1:20, and for the last year I've been using Koch Chemie GummiFix. But for this week, we're going to test out two new products, the DIY Restore and Protect and the Bola Solution Plastic and Rubber. We're going to test them out on the WeatherTech mats. We'll go to the prep and the application in this video. From the Bola Solution, you're going to get a nice, clean and simple box just like this one, and a super nice bottle which has a cosmetic type of look. You're also going to get a block with a foam backed and two suede applicator from Bola Solution that you're going to wrap around to apply your coating. By the way guys, if you're new to detailing, CARPRO PERL is a tire dressing that can be used on plastic, on leather and on rubber. So this can be used on floor mats, but it can be also very dangerous because the silicone in the tire dressing is going to add a slippery effect to your floor mats, which can be dangerous for your driver's pedal access, right? And the Koch Chemie GummiFix is a similar dressing but specific anti-slip product for floor mats, but still has some slip to it. This is a really nice high quality product to restore floor mats, but in my opinion this product can be used as a one-time detail. If you want to do a detail for someone else, you want to dress the plastic floor mats just one time, because this is not going to last a very long time. So the darkening effect of this product is going to last just for a few wash, maybe one or two wash. So for today's video, we're looking for the best and most durable plastic restoration product. And I'm also gonna look at the finish, right? We don't want a super bright and shiny floor mat. This is why I'm gonna introduce into the test the two new products on the market from DIY Restore and Protect, which is a ceramic coating with a dye, black dye in it. And we're gonna put it head to head with Bola Solution ceramic coating specific for plastic and rubber. So this one is a clear ceramic coating, but nonetheless, it should give us a restoration effect since it was built with the plastic and rubber in mind. Okay, so the Koch Chemie GummiFix have been doing a great job of keeping this clean. My wife have been driving with those for like the 3 last months, so it's not too dirty. But first off, I want to rinse that off the best I can. You can use your pressure washer or your garden hose, so we get the loose debris off the floor mat. Okay, now I'm using my IK sprayer with the Koch Chemie Green Star, my favorite APC. This is a dilution of 1 to 10. Pretty simple. 1 to 10 is very safe. You can even clean your shoes with it. No issue. Okay, I'm not gonna use glove just to clean 2 floor mats. So if you're in the glove police, you'll have to forgive me. Okay, now I did a thorough job with my brush and my APC. Let's rinse the mat. Okay, my friends, so I wiped off my floor mats with the microfiber. Now they're pretty much dry. I let them head dry for a couple minutes. Now I'm gonna use a paint prep. Not specific to either brand, but still nonetheless, an alcohol paint prep should give us a good clean surface just as an insurance. So using a paint prep is important to make sure we don't have any residue between the plastic and our ceramic coatings. Now after giving it a good clean and a paint prep, as you can see, we still have some remaining stains in the nooks and crannies. We're gonna fill this with the protectant product. I just want to show you the condition of the mat. As you can see, it has some wear and tear. This mat is about 8 years old. Okay guys, so our floor mats doesn't look too bad. So I'm really curious to see how far we can get this looking good. So on this side, we're gonna have the Bola Solution MOD. So it's the same prep to apply on the paint, right? Your typical ceramic coating, wash, clean, decontaminate, paint prep. apply the product, let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes, and then wipe off. And it's supposed to be rain ready in 24 hours. So I'll do my best to not go over the other portion of the mat, which is why I've applied a tape line. So this is a really porous plastic, which is why I have to reapply a lot of product. So don't worry, I'll go in the nooks and crannies when I'm done with the overall even surface. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. Not much to wipe off. Obviously, this is a porous plastic. The smell of the product is not too offensive. Has your typical ceramic coating smell, but very light. Okay, DIY, restore and protect. Like I said, I cut myself a piece of microfiber. Couple drops. Okay, so this is Bola Solution PolyShield MOD and DIY Restore and Protect. You can see we have a different finish, and just to remind you, in the middle here, this is where we had our tape line, so quite an improvement. Even though this mat has been restored before with other product, we still have an improvement for both brand, for both product. So DIY looks more natural, and on the right side, the Bola Solution looks more deep black, maybe a little bit more richer, but at this point, it's gonna come to taste, price, and whatever type of application you wanna do. And this left side, which is the passenger side, has been restored with Bola Solution plastic and rubber PolyShield MOD. The whole mat, I have applied it. So you can see a good difference on the very right, Bola, then Restore and Protect, then again Bola. Okay guys, so I remind you that both products have been applied more than 12 hours ago. Both have ceramic coating properties. Both are ceramic coatings. This one from DIY has its own dye. This one is a traditional ceramic coating to restore the plastic. I haven't done the water test, so let's go ahead and do it. Keep in mind there's a tape line in the middle. So the Bola Solution seems to be more hydrophobic as my first impression. In fact, it's crazy hydrophobic. Let's do, you see in the middle, there's an accumulation here of water where on both sides the water doesn't stick, it's sheeting, it's evacuating. So the DIY gets flooded a little bit, but quickly when the water goes off, quickly it sheets and evacuates the water. Remember the tape line here, very clear. Really impressive, the Bola Solution type of water beading. The hydrophobic from Bola Solution are really unbeatable, something I've never seen before. But like I said, they both evacuate water, they both do a great job at keeping the mat as dry as possible. Okay, so now we're on the passenger side WeatherTech mat, which has only the Bola Solution plastic and rubber. Look how insane it is. That's insane. Okay, my friends, so drop a comment down below. Which side do you prefer? Which one is more for your taste? I remind you that on this side, this is Bola Solution MOD, and on the left, DIY Restore and Protect. Both great product. First, we can eliminate the fact that we have a slippery effect. There's absolutely no slippery on any of those products, no slickness, so we don't have to worry about slippery, we don't have to worry about longevity. We know those products are gonna last quite a long time, even with the wear and tear, so I'll have an update at some point we're gonna put this back in a daily driver, and I'll have an update in a few months, see how those products are holding up to the wear and tear of a daily driver. So I think it was a fair comparison. We applied it properly according to the instruction. The only thing is I added water maybe 15 hours after the application instead of 24, but I think this type of material is really porous, really absorbing the product, so there was no worry. I know you guys like the product comparison, and I know the brands sometimes they don't like it because it leaves room for interpretation, it leaves room for a mistake into the application of the product, but I think I gave it a fair comparison, a fair application. In any case, both products are excellent. I've tried the DIY on many different plastic. It has some incredible power to restore the plastics. So we'll play more with the Bola Solution plastic and rubber. You can't go wrong with any of those products. Okay, my friends, so I think I finally found the solution for the plastic WeatherTech mats type. Applying one of those products is really worth the time and the money invested to really give us a good restoration effect. So guys, check out the products in the description, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.